Hi folks, welcome to Guaranty RV in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Today we're going to be looking at this awesome Sundance from Heartland. It is a 3-2-4 bunkhouse unit. It's an awesome unit, great big, two big giant slides on this side, big pass-through storage, solar ready, all fiberglass and aluminum unit, really nice. Magnetic holds. Look at this pass-through. It's got an LED light in it. You can see some of the aluminum in there from the framing. It's really nice. What a sweet unit this is. This is a great unit if you want to sleep a lot of people. It's got a nice big power awning. And look at this. Has an awesome outdoor fridge, sink, and little grill top. Look at that fridge. Nice big fridge for outside here. You got some storage in here. You got more storage up above. Nice sink, a little cooktop. And when this is up, it's really nice because you still got protection from your awning and this. So if you're in some sun, you want to cook out here, have breakfast. Let's face it, this is where all the action happens, out here at the picnic table. It's nice to have this feature. Let's go inside and take a look. Now this is a great little bunkhouse unit. If you've got some teenagers, guess what? 5 of them can sleep back here. Pretty awesome. Huge room. They got their own room. It's got their own door. Really nice. Now this does have a good sized bathroom as well with a nice big shower. You do have an entrance door into the bathroom, so if you're outside and just want to come in and use the restroom, you can do that. That's cool. Really neat feature. Come in here to the dining room. Big giant booth here with storage underneath. A really nice couch. Cup holders in the middle here. This is a nice big slide. You got your entertainment center TV. Beautiful sink here with a nice big farm sink actually. Really nice upgraded oven. Lots of storage. Really a cool unit. Let's go in here and check out the bedroom. You got 2 nice big windows in here to get some light and cross breeze. Lots of storage. Big closets on each side. You got storage up above as well. You got a bracket in here for a TV if you want to add a TV. Folks, this is a great bunkhouse unit for a big family. If you're interested in this unit or any other unit here at Guaranty RV, please give me, Big Sal, a call, 951-443-8323. Thanks.